So I am at a weekly meetup for a bunch of people that ride bikes, and basically we ride them in downtown Las Vegas. There's like every kind of bike you can imagine, and then there's one guy that has a bike where it's like a two-story decker bike. It's pretty dope. I brought the GoPros, and I don't know how the low-light performance is going to be, but we'll see how it goes.
Tell me what you want, was it enough for you? Fucking up your life, was it enough for you? No way, tell me what you want, was it enough for you? Fucking up your life, was it enough for you? No way, no. It's what you wanted though. Everything you told me, I don't need to know. It's what you wanna do. Everything you ever could have wanted to do. Don't say it's what you need, I'd say it's what you wanted. Don't say it's what you need, I'd say it's what you wanted. Your whole life I tried, and now we're getting older. Your whole life I tried, and now I'm getting closer. Tell me what you want, was it enough for you? Fucking up your life, was it enough for you? No way, tell me what you want, was it enough for you? Fucking up your life, was it enough for you? No way. Here we go, barely though. I'm not searching for a miracle. Here we go, barely though. I'm not searching for a miracle. Here we go, barely though. I'm not searching for a miracle. Here we go, barely though. I'm not searching for a miracle. Your whole life I tried, and now we're getting older. Your whole life I tried, and now I'm getting closer.